Welcome friends, I would like to present here about indoor propagation model. In this presentation, we will discuss its introduction and events and parameter, indoor and outdoor propagation, attenuation factor model, signal penetration into buildings, some key models, and working on indoor propagation model. Now, why we use indoor propagation model? In the case of outdoor model, is are not accurate for indoor scenarios, but in the case of outdoor radio channels, it differs from traditional mobile communication channel because it distance covered are much smaller and variability of the environment is greater for a much smaller range or TR separation distance. Now, what is indoor propagation model? The indoor propagation model are a radio propagation model that estimates the path loss inside a room or a closed area inside a building delimited by walls of any forms. The indoor propagation model are ITO, indoor propagation path loss model, log distance path loss model, and erection multiple breakpoint model. The propagation inside a building is influenced by residential homes in suburban areas and also in urban areas, layout of the buildings, construction materials, and the different type of building. Here, this is the similarity and differences of outdoor and indoor propagation model. What is the similarities between them? There are reflection, diffraction, and scattering. And differences, it depends upon the doors and windows open or not, and the mounting place of antenna in desk and ceiling, and the level of floors. Now, indoor propagation models are events and parameters. Indoor propagation is dominated by the same mechanism as outdoor: reflection, scattering, and diffraction. In indoor propagation, channel are classified as line of sight and obstructed with varying degree of clutter. The multiple delay spread the building with fewer metals and hard partitions typically have a small RMS delay spread, and the larger buildings with a great amount of metal and open allies may have RMS delay spread as large as 300 nanosecond. And this is the ray tracing of indoor propagation. And the partition loss in same floor, which depends on the material type. And this is the partition loss between different floors. And the attenuation factor model is the measurement in a multiple floor office building. This is the formula. PL bar of D of dB is equal to PL bar of D naught in dB plus 10 NSF log D upon D naught plus FAF of dB plus the summation of PAF of dB. Here the 10 NSF log D upon D naught is the path loss exponent for the same floor, and FAF of dB is the floor attenuation factor, and the summation of PAF in dB is the partition attenuation factor. The signal penetration into buildings. The RF signals can penetrate from outside transmitter to the inside of the buildings. The loss duration penetration has been found to be a function of a frequency of the signal and the height of the buildings. The effect of frequency, the penetration loss decreases with increasing frequency, and the effect of height, the penetration loss decreases with the high of the building up to the same up to the some certain heights. This is the some key models. First, partition losses in same floor and partition losses in different floors. and the log distance path loss model, and erection multiple breakpoint model, and attenuation factor model. And the latest working of indoor models, the propagation model in indoor for the long term evaluation communication, the propagation model of 5G mobile communication, as well as the current 4G communication using artificial intelligence technology. And the second one is large scale analysis and modeling for indoor propagation at 10 gigahertz. And this is the challenges. First, predicting radio path loss with the highest accuracy and allow operational uses with large radio networks, and so many challenges. Now its conclusion are: in case of a long term evaluation system, it is used for better quality of service and the better quality indoor scenarios. These are the references I have gone through for preparing this presentation. Thank you all of your presence and attention. Thank you.